Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayu Iin Hidayah. You can call me Ayu. My NPM 2013022017. At this time, I will explain about definition and examples of heat transfer. Heat transfer by conduction, convection, and radiation. What the meaning of heat? Heat is an energy that moves due to temperature differences. The international units of heat is joule, and in CGS is H. 1 joule equals 10 to the power of 7 H. In the past, before people know that heat was a form of energy, people already had a unit of heat as a calorie. 1 joule equals 0.24 calories. Heat moves from high temperature to low temperature. When two substances that are not at the same temperature are mixed, a substance at high temperature will release heat so that the temperature drops, and a substance at low temperature will absorb heat so that the temperature increases until thermal equilibrium occurs. Because heat is energy, based on the law of conservation of energy, it is obtained that the heat released is the same as the heat absorbed. This concept is often called by Planck's principle, which can be expressed mathematically. This is Planck's principle. Q release equals Q receive. There are many objects around us that can conduct heat and some cannot conduct heat. Objects that can conduct heat are known as conductors. Can conduct and can conduct. The name is conductor. Example is copper, iron, water, and aluminium. The objects cannot conduct heat are named insulators. The example for objects that insulators is plastic, wood, paper, cloth, and other. The transfer in 3 ways. They are conduction, convection, and radiation. I will explain about what is this conduction, convection, and radiation, and the example conduction. What the meaning of conduction? Conduction is a transfer of heat through solids that do not undergo transfer. In other words, heat transfer if a substance is not accompanied by a transfer of its particle. For example, when ironing clothes, the heat from the iron is transferred to the clothes because they are rubbed directly so that the clothes become warm. In another example, when we hot a hot glass, our palm will also receive heat from the gas. Convection. Convection is a transfer of heat through the flow through which the intermediate is also transferred. When the particles move and also cause heat to propagate, a convection occurs. Convection occurs in liquids and gases. For the example, when heating water, it looks like it's stirring. That is because the water at the bottom will be hot first and will also become lighter so that when it moves upward. The illustration, this fire, the water in the bottom will be hot first and upward to here. So when we cooking water, it look like stirring. And the last way is radiation. What's the meaning of radiation? Transfer of heat without intermediates is called radiation. When you feel hot without physical contact with the object, is due to radiation. Radiation transfer has a faster speed than conduction and convection. The radiation is usually accompanied by light. For example, clothes become dry when dried in the hot sun. The illustration, the cold without physical contact with the sun, but the clothes will become dry because the radiation. Okay, I think enough for definition and example of heat transfer. And the last I say, see you next occasion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.